Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a project on your Grok AI. So when you have lot of chat history, then you have to separate it into project. So this will be help you to organize your work. So to create a project, here on the left panel you can see project. Just go to the project, and then here you can see new project. Just click on new project. Now here write your project name or any instruction like script. This is the mode, so select any of the mode like expert, and then this project name, just click on next. And then here you can upload a project image. So I am gonna left it, and there you go. You can see under the project section you can see new project. So now I separated this project, so this will help me to organize all of our work tasks. So this is how you can make a project on Grok AI. Hope that this video help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.